My God!
That would be great.
Kakaloka, napaka-unlucky ng mga... Another trauma talaga yung mararamdaman dito. Alam mo yun, napakamalas mo naman kung mangyayari talaga ito sa totoong buhay sa'yo. Yon, another trauma na naman yung mararanasan natin dito for sure dahil nagbabalik ang Final Destination sa panibago nitong kwento na Bloodlines. And ano yung kwentong Final Destination nyo guys? Let me know in the comment section nga. Ang naaalala ko sa Final Destination, yung eroplano, yung tulay na nasira, and grabe yung phobia na pinaramdam sa atin ng moving to for sure eh. Nakaka-overthink talaga siya. Kaya naman for today's video, panoorin naman natin tong official trailer ng Final Destination Bloodlines. Let's go! So, eto na ang trailer nila.
Drinks all around.
Oh. Girl. Nabasag yung baso sa punta sa yelo. Alam na natin ang mangyayari. Oh my God.
Family, you don't get to pick the one you get. Just gotta love the one you got.
Pero kayo ba? Kinakain nyo ba yung yelo? Like, agad lunok ba? Or kinakagat-kagat nyo pa? Kasi kung kinakagat-kagat nyo tong yelo, for sure, hindi mo siya malulunok at malalaman mo agad na may basag na glass no sa iniinom mo.
I got it.
I don't think you got it. I held him off for years.
Charlie, get up here.
Kakaloka, napaka-unlucky ng mga... Another trauma talaga yung mararamdaman dito. Grabe yung pagkakadikit-dikit ng kwento, no? Kumbaga, alam mo yun, napakamalas mo naman kung mangyayari talaga ito sa totoong buhay sa'yo.
Coming for our family.
I said,
Oh, shucks. My God!
Grandma, what's happening to us? Years ago, I had a premonition that started.
Alam naman natin na gore talaga ang paatake nitong Final Destination.
I
Eh.
saw what death was about to do.
So yung lola dito parang galing siya sa previous na Final Destination ba yun? Oo, may premonition. Power din siya.
I saved a lot of lives that night.
Everyone needs to get off the dance floor!
Lives that were never meant to be saved. But death doesn't like it when you mess with his plans.
Oh.
This book, it will show you everything you need to know to keep our family safe. It all started with Grandma. Death is coming for us because we were never supposed to exist.
Grabing kamalasan talaga yung
pass you by. Maybe that's not actually coming for our family. Because that would be crazy. Good luck.
good luck. Good luck talaga sa mga manunood nito. So far, retain na retain yung takot talaga, no? Parang, for sure, ito yung magiging new phobia, new trauma ng mga bagong generation ngayon. And, yun, diba? Ang daming aabangan. Well, parang naikwento na at naipakita na naman na ng halos lahat ng scene dito sa official trailer ng Final Destination. Pero nakaka-excite pa rin na makita to sa big screen. And, bloody. For sure, this is bloody. And, this is traumatic. Yon, kayo guys, ano ang kwentong Final Destination nyo? Let me know in the comment section. And syempre, kayo ano pa masasabi nyo din sa may official trailer ng Final Destination? Ano pa ang mga gusto nyong makita or aabangan nyo dito? Syempre guys, kung di ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. This has been CJ guys, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!